My name is Jeremy Gerber. I'm the co-owner of the Roadster shop. So the Roadster shop has been a kind of a mainstay in the chassis manufacturing segment of the hot rod industry for quite some time now. This is about our 35 years in business. The bulk of our business is chassis fabrication, performance chassis, cruiser type chassis, and then in addition to that we build an awful lot of pro touring muscle cars, high performance chassis, off-road stuff, you name it, anything that's hot rod related, we touch it. The Spec chassis is it's quickly becoming our most popular chassis. It accomplishes virtually everything you're looking to accomplish with those high-end chassis. It's a phenomenal looking piece, but it's a little more of a manufactured type product. The way that we accomplish that, keep it on a budget, is through just a tremendous amount of engineering and using a unique process in laser cutting our frame rails. So in-house we actually have a tube rotary on a fiber laser that we program and take some unique high cut shapes out of various dimensional tubing, and we're able to remove those and kind of contort that tubing into various shapes that you can't do with a mandrel bend, and we're able to do so without stressing the material like you would with a mandrel bend. What customers should know when purchasing a Spec chassis is just the ease of installation. I think they really overlook the labor time that's associated with the installation of individual components. The cost is oftentimes very comparable just in itself, the Spec chassis versus those components, but add in that labor time or put a value on your own time and you're never going to get the strength that you do out of a full frame. So we're taking unibody cars, converting them to full frame, offering significantly improved suspension geometry, and I think that's really the message I'd like to get out there to the customers, that we're not band-aiding it, we're not putting something in a hole that already exists. It's a brand new clean slate design with no compromises. That Spec chassis lineup, it's just rapidly developing. At this point in time, virtually anything you see that is in any of our other chassis lineups, if it's popular enough, it's either available or will be soon available in the Spec chassis lineup. The best way to get a hold of a Spec chassis is that Summit's an actual stocking distributor. So to avoid lead times, to get a Spec chassis in your hands immediately, get with Summit Racing because they're in stock, crated up, ready to go, and you can order a Spec chassis today, and as soon as it can get in a truck and get to your door through Summit Racing, you'll have it.